So if you guys are thinking about starting a business, selling courses or services or coaching in any particular niche, I have one of the best online sales funnel builders that can almost do pretty much everything for you, from having a website and a funnel built out, having your own CRM system, email automation, SMS automation, everything that you can get from a ton of different software programs in one, and they have a free plan. And so that's why I wanted to recommend Systeme.io. My affiliate link is ecommerceparadise.com/Systeme, Systeme. And I just love it because I'm diving into it right now and I start to see the value of it. Now, if you've heard of GoHighLevel or ClickFunnels or any of those other, GoHighLevel is basically the best example, but they are super complex and the price starts at $97 a month. You get a free trial and then you just have to start paying. And it comes with all these things built in. But Systeme is so much easier to use. It's like a way easier interface to use. And so any online course or online services or online coaching business could definitely use Systeme. It's such a great way to go because they have that free option. And the pricing option is really neat. So I'm going to go over that a little bit here so that you guys have an idea, because I think that's the most important thing. Most people are thinking about when they first get started is like, how much is this software going to cost me, right? And if you're just getting started, you're probably thinking, I want to go with something for free. And that's why something like Patreon might look good to you, because Patreon is completely free to sign up and they're never going to charge you any money, but they'll charge you 10% of all the sales that you make, which ends up being a lot of money if you end up making a lot of money. And a lot of people end up switching from Patreon to another platform because of that. They can also end up holding your money too. And it's basically because you're putting something onto their platform. And so they manage the platform and they do have the rules. But Systeme allows you to build your community and your sales funnel and your entire business onto your own platform, basically using their software. Let's see, the free plan, it starts with up to 2,000 contacts, 3 sales funnels. So if you want to have like a separate funnel for like a lead generator, and then you want to have a separate funnel for a different lead generator, maybe a different audience, who knows? And then if you want to have like a main, like something that you sell, and each sales funnel will have different steps, and you can have up to 15 steps with the free plan. You also get 1 blog, 1 course, 1 creator store. So you can actually sell physical like print-on-demand products, which is really neat. Up to 3 of those print-on-demand products for free. And that's really all you need, like a t-shirt, hat, who knows. And then you have 1 automation rule, 1 workflow, 1 tag, 1 email campaign. I mean, if your business is really focused around one thing, which it should be anyways, this is just plenty enough. You can always scale later, but just build a business around one thing. And the free Systeme plan is perfect. You can have one-click upsell, 1 email campaign, 1 order bump, 1 A/B test, 1 coupon code. You can even use a custom domain with the free plan, which is unheard of. No other platform allows you to use the custom domains with the free plan. You even have up to 1 website, so you can have your own website on it. So, that's amazing. 2 languages per website, which is really cool. So you can have like English and Spanish or something, or whatever your native audience happens to be. You don't get the ability to do Evergreen webinars. That's only available in the webinar plan, which is $47 a month. But compared to other software platforms that give you that feature, they lack all the other features of Systeme and they cost more. So it's really affordable. Once you get to that stage where an Evergreen webinar will actually help you sell stuff, you can actually have up to 10 with that $47 a month plan. 10 different Evergreen webinars. So you can split test, or you can run different offers. Evergreen webinars are really cool because basically it's like a long sales video where somebody's captured in that moment and they're watching and they're way more likely to purchase whatever it is you're selling. Also with the free plan, you get to have a community, kind of like school. A community is basically like your own kind of version of Facebook, where people go in there and they type and communicate, and it's all on your website, your platform. So it's really neat. You also get to have physical product variants of up to 50, it says. So that's pretty cool. 1 pipeline, 1 calendar event, and up to 500 students. So it's more than enough to get going for your own coaching, courses, services, business, okay? And this is one of the best ways to build an online business and to become location independent, is to figure out whatever it is that you're good at whatever that happens to be, whatever, you're excited about and good at that you can talk about on video a lot, and then build a business around that. If you haven't read Russell Brunson's Expert Secrets funnel or Expert Secrets book yet, definitely pick that up. It's on Amazon. He also has a website. And you could probably find it for free somewhere too. But Expert Secrets is such a good book because it explains how to take anything that you're passionate about and really smart about and good at and turn it into a business where you can make recurring income. You can sell high-ticket digital products or high-ticket services, or low-ticket digital products, or membership programs and print-on-demand merchandise, whatever. Or if you already happen to be a creator, maybe you're already a creator and you just don't have any idea how any of this stuff works, Systeme is probably the best starting point for you because it's free to start and it gives you all the different stuff that all these other platforms kind of piecemeal out one at a time, and it's all in one place. And if you get really good at it later on, Systeme also does what GoHighLevel does. It allows you to create sub-accounts so you can then go and create more Systeme accounts for your clients to set them up with their businesses. And also it allows you to white label their software to sell it as your own SaaS to your own clients. So this is something I'm considering doing with Ecommerce Paradise to help other people start up businesses like I've done with Ecommerce Paradise, helping people with high-ticket dropshipping in any niche. It could be like fitness, it could be skateboarding, it could be wellness coaching or health coaching or nutrition, it could be dating. There's so many verticals and so many sub niches out there. It has to be something that you're good at and excited about, because you're going to have to talk on YouTube and create YouTube videos from somewhere you're comfortable, like your home office, like I'm doing here, wherever it is that you do the thing, or if you're comfortable being outside doing it, even better. But YouTube organic video is the best way to get leads to your sales funnel and to build an audience and a community. So you have to do YouTube. It's really kind of like a requirement, really, I'd like to say, because YouTube is the platform people go to not only discover, but also to search. It's like a search engine of visual content, and they listen to people. People love to listen to people, okay? So you have to be willing to do YouTube. You also can set up a podcast that automatically has all your YouTube posts as audio, which is really easy to do. I have a whole system for that I use for my business. And you can have it, email marketing set up with Systeme. So you basically get people into your funnel. You have a lead generator. They come in, they sign up for the lead generator. It's something that's really valuable to them. And then from there, you get them into the community and you sell them on either coaching or just a membership program or some kind of high-ticket digital product like a course, or a high-ticket service like a done-for-you service or a done-with-you coaching program or something like that. Even live events and stuff like that. Or you can do like live digital events. So you can get really creative with this kind of stuff. So there's lots of opportunity out there. You just have to be comfortable being in front of a camera and make videos every day. I mean, it's really what it comes down to. You just got to make a video every day and post it up to YouTube. Using Claude, it's really easy to come up with all the title and description and all that stuff for your videos and social posts and whatnot. So what I recommend doing to start with this kind of business is just make some videos talking about your life story. And then you're going to transcribe that video and feed it to Claude and tell it to make a skill based on your voice and your story and like your experience and stuff like that. And then you can tell people about you through Claude. You can have Claude be your ghostwriter in a sense. You can make a blog and you can make blog posts. And for every video, you can turn it into a blog post. You can turn it into an email broadcast. And usually these videos that you want to make are just going to be talking head videos, talking about what you're talking about. And then in the course that you have, you're going to actually go more in depth on how exactly to do that. They could be longer videos. People are more engaged and they will watch longer. Whereas on YouTube, they're more just kind of interested in generally what you're talking about. And it's a great place to get leads, honestly. And also for services, especially, YouTube is really, really good because you can basically just talk about any service and like talk about it and talk about customer results and talk about what they stand to gain from that and whatnot, and then you'll get a lot of leads. And all you have to do is set up a calendar booking form. It's basically a calendar where people can book a call with you, and you send people to that lead funnel, and it'll be a calendar booking form along with like 10 or so different qualifying questions. And that's your essential high-ticket funnel. And then you get people in there to a discovery call, and you ask them about their problems, and you tell them how you can solve those problems, and you see how soon they want to solve them. If it's now, then great. And then you place the offer and you get the order over the phone. If they need to wait, then you follow up and go that way. And that's how you sell high-ticket services or high-ticket coaching, okay? So it's a really simple process, but this platform Systeme is probably the best one to start with, especially because it's got so much stuff in one, and it's also really easy and visually easy to use. And it's free to start. It's kind of like a no-brainer, guys. So go check it out, ecommerceparadise.com/systeme, Systeme. Thank you so much, and subscribe for more. Guys, if you want to get an idea of high-ticket niches you can get involved with either affiliate marketing or maybe even information products or drop shipping, go to ecommerceparadise.com/niches. I have a free niches list, and that will take you into my funnel. You can kind of study my funnel and what I do, where I teach e-commerce and high-ticket dropshipping and stuff like that. Get some ideas there, how you can build your own business out, okay? Thanks so much. Subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, ecommerceparadise.com/contact to get in touch with me, and I look forward to helping you. Have a good day.